I have a question for you. It's a question that costs $10,000, maybe even $1 million over your lifetime. When you open your trading app, are you entering a casino or are you entering your office? Most people think they are investing, but in reality, they are paying for entertainment. They pay market tuition to feel the thrill of a rising chart, the dopamine hit of a quick win, and the adrenaline of a gamble. If you are doing this for fun, turn off this video right now. Go enjoy your hobby. But if you are here to build wealth, if you are here to change your financial destiny, then you must stop being a stock enthusiast and start being a business owner. Welcome to the first episode of Treating Stock Investing as a Business. Today we define your position. Let's look at the cold, hard facts. What is a hobby? A hobby is an activity where you spend money to get emotional value. You buy a fishing rod to relax. You buy a game console to have fun. You expect to spend money. A business is the exact opposite. A business invests money to get more money. Emotional value is irrelevant. In fact, emotions are a liability. If you buy a stock because you like the company, or because everyone is talking about it, you are consuming a product. You are a consumer, not a capitalist. The market is designed to transfer money from the hobbyist who seeks excitement to the business owner who seeks execution. Which side of the transfer are you on? To survive in this ruthless market, you need a mental shift. You are no longer an individual named your name. You are now the CEO of a corporation. Let's call it You, Inc. This corporation has 3 employees, and you are all of them. First, the CEO. This is the visionary. The CEO sets the strategy, defines the philosophy, and manages the psychology of the firm. Second, the CFO, the Chief Financial Officer. The CFO manages the risk, decides how much capital to deploy, and protects the company from bankruptcy. Third, the COO, the Chief Operating Officer. This is the technician who analyzes the charts and clicks the buy button. The problem is, 90% of retail investors only act as the COO. They just click buttons. They have no CEO strategy and no CFO risk management. That is why they go bankrupt. Today we are focusing on the CEO's job. The CEO's first task is to define the company philosophy. Why are you in this business? Is it to make a quick buck to buy a car? That's a short-term trade, not a business. Is it to build generational wealth over 20 years? That's a legacy business. A CEO understands that boring is good. George Soros, one of the greatest investors in history, said, "If investing is entertaining, if you're having fun, you're probably not making any money. Good investing is boring." Think about Amazon or Apple. Their daily operations are boring. Logistics, supply chains, accounting. But that boredom produces massive profits. If your heart beats fast when you place a trade, you are gambling. If you place a trade and feel nothing because it's just part of the plan, you are doing business. In a normal job, if you lose the company's money consistently, you get fired. But in trading, there is no boss to fire you. You have to be your own boss. You need to establish a system of accountability. Ask yourself these tough questions. Do I have a written set of rules? Do I record every single transaction? Do I review my mistakes objectively? If the answer is no, you are operating an illegal street stall, not a corporation. The market rewards professionalism. It punishes amateurism with losses. So, how do we transition from a hobbyist to a CEO today? Step 1. Declare your intent. Say it out loud. I am a business owner. My inventory is cash. My product is profit. Step 2. Stop the noise. A CEO doesn't listen to gossip. Stop trading based on YouTube comments or news headlines. Rely on your own analysis. Step 3. Commit to the process. Accept that you will have losses. In business, a loss is not a failure. It is an operating expense. As long as your revenue, gains, exceeds your expenses, losses, your business is healthy. You have now decided to stop playing games and start building an empire. But a decision without a plan is just a wish. A CEO doesn't just think about the future, they document it. You need a roadmap. You need a constitution. You need a business plan. In the next episode, we are going to do something very practical. We are going to sit down and write your stock investment business plan together. We will define your specific goals, your risk limits, and your operational rules. Get your pens ready. You, Inc. is about to officially launch. I'll see you in the next video.